Dirk the Fisherman here, y'all. Me and my son gonna do another little video for y'all. He wanted to show y'all his little car right there, y'all. Got the flames on it. What kind of car is it?
7. Grandpa, tell what it is. Tell them what it is.
It's a 53 Chevrolet. How about that, y'all? He wanted y'all to see it.
Closer, where you can see the flames.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We're gonna show y'all some cars right here. We're gonna turn the turner around, open up some, and yep, y'all stay tuned and see what we got. All right, let's turn this thing around.
Show them flames on top. I showed them flames on top.
Yeah.
And it's older than Grandpa.
Yeah.
It's very old.
All right, y'all. Open up some premiums up first. 18 Ford Mustang with the Pennzoil livery on it. You ready? Step right here, baby. Step right there.
Where's the Pennzoil?
Pennzoil.
Pennzoil. And it's also a Ford. I see a Ford bag on it.
Yeah, it's a Mustang, baby. Open it up.
Huh? The one? It's a Hot Wheels.
Come on.
But
Open
it's
it
a
up.
Hot Wheels, though.
Yeah, it's a Hot Wheels.
But it's hard to open. There's a piece of plastic on it.
That's why it's hard to open. The premium's got that, baby.
But I added a piece of plastic.
Dump it out my hand. Dump the car out my hand. All right. Here we go, y'all. Check that one there out. It's a nice one there, y'all. Open up another premium. This is the Hot Wheels Boulevard 71 Mustang Mach 1. Check that there out. All right, all right, open it up. Hold it with both hands.
How did I ever push the plastic on it?
That one don't, huh?
But why doesn't
I
it?
don't know.
It's hard to get out.
Because you,
Cut
notice not here, y'all. This Mustang's flat black. I like my Mustang, so every time I see one, I have to get it.
I love beer bags.
Yeah, my boy say he likes Beetlebugs. I like Mustangs.
And my mom.
And another one, y'all, premium. Open up the Fast and Furious Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34, the most popular one. All right, open that bad boy up. That might have a piece of plastic. It don't.
I seen the hole.
All right, dump it out in my hand.
I seen the little hole.
All right.
I seen the little hole.
And here goes the Fast and the Furious one, y'all. Check it out. That's a nice one there. All right, y'all. Now we're going to open up some Mopar that I got at Walmart. Up first is going to be the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. Check that there out.
I don't see a chain car.
All right, baby.
I
Open it up.
don't see a chain car.
Oh, you got to put that piece of paper off, baby. Oh, you got it out.
I got it.
Yes, she did. All right, y'all. Up next in the Mopar thing that I have is the Dodge Challenger Drift Car with the Mopar delivery on it.
That's the same one.
No, ain't the same one, but it's different.
What did you do?
All right.
It came right out.
Yeah.
It was easier coming out. It was easy. Came out easy.
Yep. All right, y'all. And the next Mopar we're going to open up is a 68 Dodge Dart with the Mopar delivery on it. Open it up.
Ooh, mushroom. They're the same color. It's weird.
Mm-hmm. You squeezing it, baby. That's why it ain't coming out.
Using my hand.
Yeah.
Get
out in there out, y'all. All right, y'all. And the next gonna be the Hot Wheels.
Oh, number 2 a car.
Yeah. Back to the Future time machine, the DeLorean. Check that there out. All right, open it up. Hey, open it up.
After this, we might can do some videos of them.
Open it up, baby.
I gotta bring this home. But I love this one. So.
Yeah, like the old DeLorean.
Yeah.
It is nice, ain't it?
Yes. Can I bring home?
There we go, huh?
Can I bring home?
No, you ain't bring that one home, baby. That's one on the wall. All right, y'all. Then up next, we're going to be doing the Matchbox
No.
local cruises.
Beat me somewhere.
Jeep Wrangler Super Lift.
You sure I have one of them.
Yeah.
I have one of
Oh, this
them.
Matchbox will be easy to open.
I have a piece of plastic on it.
Yeah, it does, don't it? Uh-oh.
It popped up. It has popped up.
Yes, it did. Check this big old thing out, y'all.
Ooh, look at that one.
Uh-oh, it rolled off the turner. There
I
we
got
go.
that one.
Yeah.
I got it for you. I got it for you.
All right, you ready? Pull that thing open. Oh, this her Matchbox here wants to be hard. Yep, move your hand. Right now, tear into it.
I can tear into it. Oh, pretty plastic is what.
It's got a piece of plastic in it too, huh? You're gonna have to get that plastic out, baby. You gotta keep on opening it. Now it should come out. There it went.
Plastic.
And they're trying to roll off again. I need to buy me a piece of plastic felt thing there and put on that there, the styrofoam. Yeah.
That has a hook on back.
Yes, it does. All right, baby.
There's no doubt.
That's gonna be another series there, baby.
Pink carrot.
Yeah, we'll do this one right here. All right, y'all. Next gonna be the '55 Cadillac Fleetwood, pink. He wants to do real quick.
Yes, let's do all of these.
No,
cars.
baby. No, we gotta do other videos. We gotta get some content. That's for our content.
But I don't open that one.
We will.
That
Yeah,
one.
we are sooner or later.
The pink Cadillac.
Yeah, old pink Cadillac. Reminds me of Elvis. Elvis had a pink Cadillac.
Well, baby, it might be just that one.
Yeah.
It might match.
Yeah. All right, y'all.
Or something.
Up next, we're gonna open up a treasure hunt. The Muscle and Blown.
Muscle and blown.
Oh, yeah, it's got the treasure hunt. See the symbols right there.
Muscle.
All right, tear it open. You get out the
Yeah.
There we go.
It came later.
All right, y'all. Here goes the treasure hunt. I try to get duplicates of the treasure hunt to open one and keep one.
This one has flames on it too.
Yes, it does.
On the side.
All right, y'all. This is gonna do it for our little short video right here. We're gonna turn the camera back around. We can say goodbye to y'all.
But I won't open them. Cars.
We will, baby. We will. We will sooner or later. All right, get in here.
Yeah.
Let me get it down a little more for you being it. There we go. All right, y'all. Like I said, that's gonna be it for us right here. And we just wanted to say bye. If you like our what you see, subscribe to our channel and tell your friends. Peace.
Peace out.
Peace out, y'all. Y'all have a good one.